Lo preparo con todo. Con todo, sí, pero cebollita.
I see. Okay, I'm gonna try the torta ahogadas with everything. So it's with canita, which is like meat, with I think intestines and tongue. I'm looking for the drink, Tejuino. I think I found it. Hola. Un Tejuino con nieve.
Sí.
Grande.
Cuesta 25.
25, sí. Okay.
¿Con nieve sería?
Sí.
Y se tiene que ir con mucha calma, la afición egipcia que por supuesto está emocionada. Para ustedes realizar un premio de estilo a la casa las barbecue y en nuestra adelante
Okay, so I have a tejuino over here. It's made from fermented corn, and it's found in Jalisco and Chihuahua. So I'm in Jalisco right now. Let's try this. It's thick, lemony. Doesn't taste like corn though. Okay, I think I was here last night with Wow, this mercado is called Mercado Corona. So many people. I think the Mercado San Juan is like over there. Wow, that's like the metro. I feel like trying the metro. Haven't taken public transport, not even once, during the whole trip so far. Oh, there's like 2 levels. Let's go up first. Oh my god. Everything smells so good, but I'm so full from the drink and the torta. Oh, the shoes are so pretty. But of course, I won't be able to buy any. There's no space, and I won't be able to wear them. I think we're at the animal section. Kidneys or testicles? Brains, tongues, liver. Okay, I think those are testicles. Kidneys, liver, lung. Not sure. This should be the lung. Wow. I thought the animal section would be bigger though. Maybe I wasn't at the right section. Okay, so we are at Hospicio Cabanas. It was built at the beginning of the 19th century for orphans, old people, and the sick. It's a UNESCO Heritage Site right now. It has several unusual designs to meet the needs of the people who use the space, and I think it was unique for its time. Okay, we're gonna walk around. Lot of rubbish. Okay, we are almost near the viewpoint, which is called Barranca de Oblatos. I've been walking for 1 hour and 15 minutes, and I think I still have to walk a lot more because I think it's a hill or something. I'm gonna try to go up this funny looking overhead bridge. The view from this overhead bridge is quite nice. Whoa, I think I'm here. Oh, wow. Pretty. Okay, the 1.5 hour walk is definitely worth it. Okay, I've done resting. I'm going to try to go back to the market to have dinner, which is Mercado San Juan. I'm going to attempt to take public transport. We'll see how it goes. So it's about 6 minutes walk to the bus stop. I'm supposed to take C28. And I think I'm supposed to pay 9.5 pesos to the driver, I think. I'm not sure. We'll find out soon. I think this is the bus stop. I'm not very sure. I don't see any signs. I don't see anyone. Okay, we're definitely at the bus stop. I see a lot of people waiting for the buses. And I saw a few buses pass by, and there's another one. This is so ridiculous. So I talked to a lady and she said there's no C28 here, and then I crossed the road and then C28 came on the other side, but he's not going to where I want to go, and then he told me to cross over here, but then I've been here for a long time and there's no C28, so now the next best option is to take C27, which will bring me to the city center. Closer to the city center. Oh my god. Okay, we're going on C27. Back to the city center. Not without problems though. I wish I could have taken C28, but I'm happy I took C27 instead, because C27 brought me to the center. C28 would have brought me to the mercado I was at. Yeah, but that's okay. Now I'm going to look for the Pozole restaurant because I'm really hungry.
Y líbranos del mal. Los males, Señor, y concédenos la paz en nuestro Cordero de Dios, que quitas el pecado del mundo, ten piedad de nosotros.
We have the pozole and the Jamaica. I'm so thirsty. It's pretty good.
¡Actívense los anillos mágicos! ¡Dame tu poder! ¡Give you power! ¡Con ustedes!
Oh, she's so happy.